Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I just got my fall FabFitFun box in the mail. They did reach out to me, so this is a partnership. They gave me the code KathyM20 so you can get your first box for your new membership for $47.99, which is I think a 20% discount. I actually already opened my box and I did pick out all the items that I was going to get in my box whenever they sent me the request if I wanted to get a box in exchange for doing a review video. And so obviously I said yes, and I picked my items, so I will go through them with you. So this first item is by Alex and Annie. This is the bag it came in, and this is the little card. It says Emerald, luck, prosperity. Emerald crystal represents hope and spiritual growth and is believed to bring good fortune and prosperity to your life. Crystals hold luminosity in remarkable ways. The crystalline matrix has said to contain powerful creative energies of the universe. And this is what it looks like. It is really pretty. I actually really like it, and it fits my wrist really well. The second item I got is this Verb Ghost Prep Heat Protectant. Weightless moisture plus heat protection plus frizz control. So you're supposed to be able to use this for heat protecting hair up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, which, you know, when I do straighten my hair, I use the straightener very hot. I don't straighten it very often, but I don't believe there was anything else in that selection that I liked, so I chose Verb because if I am going to straighten my hair, I do need heat protectant. Super excited to try these. These are Ludro Bar 4 eucalyptus shower steamers. Now, I've never used a shower steamer, but I do not like baths. I do like really hot showers. And then eucalyptus is supposed to be great for like opening up your nasal passages and stuff. So I figured these would be great in the fall and winter, especially like, you know, it's like cold and flu season. So it says open, soothe, release, cruelty-free, gluten-free, vegan. And you activate the steamer with water placed at the base of the shower floor in a soap dish away from direct steam. Make your shower nice and steamy for best results. So it does seem like it would be nice and relaxing to use this fall. Next thing I got were these Bloom Buds. These are power patches for acne-prone skin made with salicylic acid and hydrocolloid. These are vegan, and we've used like pimple patches before, so I was excited to try these. I think there is 40, this is a 48 pack. I'm actually gonna open it real quick and just see what it looks like. Oh, these are cute. I thought they were all black. No, look. So these are little purple flowers. Super cute. These will be nice to have on hand. And then, oh, I was so excited to pick this out. This is a Free People 1809 Lodge candle. It seriously smells like you were in the woods. Hold on, there was like a little top piece that went to this. Did I lose it? Oh, here it is. Okay, Free People 1908 Lodge candle. Remove before burning. Okay, so this was just the cover that came on top of it. I didn't know if it had any info. And it also came in this box. So trim wick to 1/4 inch before each use. Only burn on a level fire resistant surface. Don't burn for longer than 4 hours. And always be around when you're burning it. Obvious. Makes sense. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, and then the last item that I chose was this little corbouche by April Nemeth, a woven throw blanket, 100% cotton. So I picked this color. You can tell I like this color. This one's a little bit darker than my chair. It's like a more of a rust color. I thought it would be perfect for fall. Let me see if it has the measurements here. 50 inches by 60 inches. Machine wash cold in a gentle cycle. So this will be nice to cozy up on the couch with, watch some Gilmore Girls, drink some coffee. I think that'll be a great addition for fall. And then, so I guess they are also doing like some bonus items. I also got a Smart Water strawberry blackberry flavored. Has like a little tint to it, or maybe it's just the lettering, not quite sure. And then they also tossed in these ricotta throat balm soothe and protect caramel flavor. So throat lozenges, cough drops, whatever you call them, which I guess are pretty useful for the fall. So this is everything that I got. I did pick out everything except for the water and the cough drops. So if you guys are new to FabFitFun, you get when you sign up, you get a seasonal subscription. So it comes 4 times a year. You get to pick your items, or the majority of them, and they're all full-size products. So I usually choose the ones that are not like beauty related. I prefer, because I don't use a lot of products. But they also have like fitness, health, home, other things like that. I've gotten a travel, like where you can put all your toiletries for travel through FabFitFun. I've gotten an insulated lunchbox. So lots of other things, not just beauty, which is one of the things that I really enjoy about FabFitFun. So again, I have my code KathyM20. If you are a new member, you can go ahead and sign up. Get your first box. The fall box is up to a $300 value. You can get it with my code for $47.99. And check out all the items. They have lots of other things to choose from. If one of these was not your jam, you can go over there, take a look, see what else you would like to pick out. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite item was. I am torn. I really like this bracelet. I really like the blanket, and I really like the candle. Not sure if I'm gonna use this. I don't straighten my hair very often. So I might give this to a friend. And then these I don't use very often, but I like to have them on hand. And then I'm excited to try these shower steamers out. So overall, I'm really pleased with the fall box and the items that I got. I think most of them I'm going to be able to use around my house or daily. And then the other items will be nice to try out. So again, if you guys are new and like product review and how-to videos, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye!